So the problem statement for number 8 says that approximately 5% of workers in the US use public transportation to get to work. And the 5% is actually telling you the probability. So probability equal 0.05. You randomly select 25 workers and ask if they use public transportation to get to work. Okay, so they either say yes, I use public transportation, or no, I don't use public transportation. So because it's a yes or no question, it's binomial probability. And we have the formula, probability of getting X successes equals n choose X times probability of success raised to the X power times probability of failure raised to n minus X power. So that is the formula to find a probability. So we do know P equals 5%. So translate 5% to a decimal. We have a random sample of 25. Okay, because it's a sample, right? N equals 25. Now, so these are given the background of the problem. What do we need to find? We need to find the probability that exactly 2 of those workers say yes, I use public transportation to go to work. So what is that probability? Well, you use the formula, right? So now you know, okay, X equals 2. Because it's inside the parenthesis. Your N equals 25. Okay, so you replace N for 25. You choose, okay, 25 out of 2, or 2 out of 22 workers out of 25 is going to use public transportation because they're saying yes, right? So multiply by P 0.05 raised to the second power, okay, because your X is 2. And then you multiply by, what is Q in this case? So think about it. Q is 1 minus P, so make sure you remember this formula. And that is, okay, what is 1 minus 0.05? 0.95. Make sure you use a calculator if you're not sure. So that is 0.95 for Q raised to 25, subtract 2 power. Now I already show you how to use a calculator to enter all these number in question number 5. Okay, so I expect you to be able to use a calculator, and I can tell you the answer. If you enter everything correctly, you should get approximately, and you have to round it, right? 0.2305, and that's a probability.